well, it's a very good morning here from the Alton Resort for the Christmas event. It's been quite a while since I've come down here and done a vlog. Also going to bring you updates of the new Bluey coaster. It's actually full layout complete. So heading into CBeebies land to show you of the construction of that. It's different this year. There's Castle Manor open and Hex. So we're going to try and get as many rides in as possible on that. Just heading into CBeebies land now, as you can see. And yeah, took all the construction walls down by the looks of it. And it's just normal metal fencing with a blue cover over it. I'm going to turn the camera around now and show you the construction. Right then, here we are in CBeebies land. I mean, yeah, makes a change of a Bluey roller coaster being green. I was expecting it to be a blue and orange coaster to match the colours of Bluey. But yeah, that should be the entrance building there, Bluey's house, by the looks of it. I haven't watched Bluey, so people who have, correct me in the comments. But yeah, this should be the entrance, like I said, to the new roller coaster. This is actually quite big for a family coaster, way taller than Octonauts. Maybe just under 2 times the size. But got the construction walls back up now. Just coming up here now, there's actually some sort of, I think that's the exit for the ride just there. I mean, the station building for this is actually quite big. Yeah, that's over the, it isn't going to be the entrance, that's definitely going to be the exit. Just going to come up here, see if I can get a better angle of it. Zooming out. Yeah, I wonder what this is. Well, I've just came around here and I think these are going to be stairs to bring you out here. Yeah, looks like they've got like pathing getting ready, like paths ready to be put in there. But yeah, I wonder what this is. I mean, last time I came to show you the construction is when was it? Yeah, fireworks, and yeah, it's soon shut up. I mean, look at that angle there. This is a good angle. Let me just zoom out. It seems to be a classic figure of 8 layout. So yeah, excited to get a ride maybe on opening day if I get to come. Opening spring 2026 though. So could it be opening same opening day as Alton Towers, or maybe later in May, when kids are off school? But yeah, excited to see the opening of this and excited to see the finished product. Someone tell me what that QR code does. But yeah, green roller coaster, quite tall for a family coaster. I wouldn't class it as my first coaster. Bit different to the Paw Patrol one coming to Chessington next year as well. But yeah, very excited to see this open next year, and I'll make sure to come down and get many rides on it. Well, I've actually just came around here just to get a shot of the lift hill. As we can tell by the motors underneath, it is going to be a drive tyre lift hill, like most family coasters, I'd say. Yeah, I'd say maybe 2 laps on this, hopefully, because I think it only does 2 hills and then finish. I will put a picture of what the layout was supposed to look like on the planning permissions, but yeah, way different. Quite surprised actually. Saw videos of it online, wasn't expecting it to be this big, but in person it's actually quite tall. I'd say 40 foot with about a 10-15 foot drop. But yeah, like I said, excited to get many rides on this next year. Yeah, good family coaster this looks like. I didn't actually come just to show you the construction, did I? It is Christmas here at Alton Towers. It is actually like the 30th of December or 29th. Yeah, it's the 30th of December, so it isn't really Christmas, is it? But still, loving the Christmas music here in CBeebies land. Editor Edward here. Well, I am here on the Get Set Go Tuesday convention. Shouldn't be allowed to record, but I thought I'm going to get some content for you. You can see the coaster just The grey one
bend there, and this offers a better angle. Sorry for my finger.
Like, yeah,
in
that's the
the
end.
top,
So you go through the front door.
Pointing there, but yeah, you can see all the groundwork. The station's actually got some blue on it, so it could be like a factory of some sort, maybe. Like you can see this outside seating bit. I have slowed this footage down, but this was where the coffee corner outdoor seating was.
Well, I've also just showed you a view of the construction of the new Bluey roller coaster from Get Set Go Treetop Adventure. Also showed the outside seating for the coffee corner, and yeah, it looks like it is getting ready to be demolished, ready for the queue line of the roller coaster. Looks really cool the way they've built it that fast, I guess. Gonna head down to Heath Hole and Battle Galleons Way, and they've actually drained the lake for Battle Galleon, so I'm going to show you that. I'll get a close up in a bit, but you can see that the lake has been drained. Very rare sight. It's my first ever time seeing that it's been drained. You can see the trough, but yeah, weird seeing that all drained. Got maintenance going on for the Sky Ride as well. Lots of maintenance. Only Mutiny Bay, CBeebies Land, Castle Manor and Hex what's open, so I'm going to try and get rides on all of them. Got the mascots out. I mean, they've done a brilliant job of decorating this up for Christmas. Everywhere you look, there's Christmas decorations and theming. Yeah, well, here it is. You can see the trough. I don't know what them supports are, but yeah, look, here's the trough. The shark's been taken off, I think. It's a very rare sight seeing this all empty. By the looks of it, they might be filling it back up because there's quite a lot of water coming out. But yeah, gonna head up to the Castle Manor now. Feels weird saying that on a Christmas event. I mean, the Christmas trees all around here. Usually one of the most busiest parts of the park. There's no one here. It's quite calming having no one here at a theme park. Well, those people, obviously. There has been quite a lot of decorations put up around the castle and manor, so I'm going to show you all of them. You've got the Holly Hollow here, instead of haunted, as you can see there. Christmas hat decorated, looks very nice. Christmas trees all around this hollow. I'm going to bring you a nice little walkthrough showing you all of the decorations. Got burial grounds just behind here, what was open full Scarefest this year, last year and the year before. Brilliant free scare zone that is.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
If you made it this far in the vlog, make sure to drop a follow or subscription, whatever platform you're watching it on. Like the video, and means a lot. Trying to get monetized, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by March next year. So it will be quite a challenge. It still says Haunted Hollow, but this is Holly Hollow. Brilliant decorations around here. Just gonna get a ride on the Castle Manor whilst we're up here. It's been on there since last Christmas. James. Mum, read this one. Here lines James. Look, Mum, he decked the halls and then the stairs. God, Mum, these some of these. Here we are. Gloomy Wood. Is it still called Gloomy Wood? So that's Holly Hollow, what we just walked through. Don't know about this one. Wow. Wow, look at this.
The manor appeared to be struck by a storm
Wow.
of supernatural proportions.
This is brilliant inside of here.
All known occupants of the house perished. That is, aside from the owner's only child.
Mom!
Emma.
What's this broke my mind? Idiot. Just had 2 rides there on the Christmas decorated Castle Manor. Brilliant decorating. I've got even inside the ride, Christmas trees everywhere. Brilliant decor in there. Heading down to Hex, see if they've got any Christmas decorations in there. So see you down outside the towers. It's changing mic quality. I cannot be putting my mic on. Good decorating there.
I told you, Mum, that's how I got it.
Hey, these are all hands up, you know.
What?
Oh, there's no theming in here whatsoever. No decorating. Where's the decorations? I got excited for nothing. There's no decorations at all. Shocked actually. They're still doing a brilliant job on the outside. But yeah, see you off the right. Well, the future of the world of David Williams is unknown, really. Apparently, it's going to be knocked down after the allegations made. And I wonder if they're going to bring back Cloud Cookie Land. But yeah, any updates for this area and the new planning permissions put in, the new reimagining of the planning permissions put in for Project Horizon. Yeah, the planning permissions were running out, but they decided to put more planning permissions in. So could we actually see Project Horizon happening? Yeah, keep you updated with all of them updates. Drop a sub on Edward's Coastal Fields on YouTube. Make sure to check all my socials. Give you all updates on them for the David Williams area, Project Horizon, and the opening of Project Sunshine, the new Bluey roller coaster. It is very quiet today though. Heading back down towards CBeebies land in that area. Yeah, well, that's the only thing open really. But we've basically done everything open today apart from all the stuff in Mutiny Bay, which is only like 2 rides. So basically everything. Literally got like 2 hours open and it is really quiet. Maybe calming. So next year, because I think it's almost shutting soon. So next year, the Christmas event, make sure to come down, or maybe come down with the private takeover because it's going to be very similar. If they have a private takeover this next year, actually. But yeah, come down, worth it. Even though there's only like family stuff open, no roller coasters. It's very calming, nice day out. Yeah, recommend coming down. Oh my god. Gonna go in the night garden magical boat ride now. I haven't been on this in a while. Hopefully there's Christmas decorations. I'm not gonna get a POV because my hands are too cold doing this whole vlog thing. So I'll see you off the ride. I might insert an old POV, but yeah, see you off the ride. Well, I've made it home after a brilliant day at Alton Towers Resort for the Christmas event. Love the decorations, especially in the Castle Alton Manor. Definitely recommend checking out Alton Towers if you can before it shuts until the pirate takeover. We'll be doing a vlog for the pirate takeover, but before I get distracted, make sure to subscribe, like and share. Comment what you thought of the decorations. I'll see you in the next one. Keep coasting.